So what I'd like to do is get this decimal 0.625 to be a fraction. And here's how I can do that. The first thing I could do is I could just call it 0.625 over 1. I'm just dividing by 1. I haven't changed the value. Now I have a fraction, or at least the start of a fraction. I don't like having the decimal up here though. As long as I do the mathematical operation to the numerator and then do the same one to the denominator, that's okay. So I could multiply this times, if I multiplied it by 10, that'd be 6.25, 162.5. So 1,000 would give me 625. That'd be my whole number. So I'm going to multiply the numerator by 1,000. And when I do that, 1,000 times 0.625, that's 625. And that's that whole number that I was looking for. But remember, since I multiplied the numerator by 1,000, I've got to also multiply the denominator by 1,000. And if you think about it, 1,000 over 1,000 is 1. So we're just multiplying by 1. We don't change the value, just the way it's written. So 1,000 times 1, that gives me my 1,000. And now I have a fraction. The thing about the fraction here is I could simplify this. I know that 5 would go into 625 and into 1,000. And 25 also goes into both of these numbers. So I could divide 625 by 25. That would give me 25. 25 times 25 is 625. And then 1,000 divided by 25 is 40. So that's simplified, but it's still not in lowest terms. So it looks like 5 would go into both of these numbers. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. And now we have our final fraction in the lowest terms in the simplest form. The decimal 0.625, that equals the fraction 5/8. And they're the same value. They would be the same distance on a ruler or the same volume or amount. So 0.625, the decimal, equals 5/8. We did that by getting it to these whole numbers here in a fraction and then simplifying the fraction. It's Dr. B, and thanks for watching.